walking over here ever again. Oh, she ain't got toes. I just realized that. She ain't got toes.
Huh?
She ain't got toes.
Oh, gross.
Killed a deer. Where are these candies at, bro? When you need them, you can't fucking find them. I got one extra 9mm bullet left. With a full mag. Oh, there's a candy. Here, pussy bitch. Drop that bitch dead. Gotta walk on me. You see her bitch ass?
No.
Gotta walk on me like she was badass. Fucking popped her right in your mouth. If you got anything cool with the little fucking bitch ass clubs, I don't even need that. In one candy in the last fucking 10 minutes. I honestly don't even know if I'm gonna be able to even sleep tonight.
Why?
Those are fucking slept late as fuck every fucking weekend. I was tired from last weekend.
Damn.
I'm sorry.
Damn, they gave more staff duty tomorrow?
Apparently.
Fucking crazy. Fuck, were these crates here before?
I don't know. What the fuck?
Using the rest of my 9mm. I use the shotty. Come on, you dick suckers. Fuck the airfield out. That's where we need to be. Fuck ton of cannibals over there. Just gonna run through the woods till I waste all this ammo. These shotguns OT's a bitch.
Oh yeah.
Shotguns in this game, you could probably shoot a tank down with that motherfucker. You just want to call it or what?
I don't care.
Oh, you little rat bastards. I guess let's walk the trails. They'll show up sooner or later.
Huh?
I guess let's just walk the trails. They'll show up sooner or later somewhere.
True.
Who are you on the phone with? There.
Which time?
Whenever I shot you with my pistol here.
Oh no, I was talking to my wife. Got walked in. She's going to bed. Cause she has work tomorrow.
Your weekend got fucked up, son.
Huh?
weekend got fucked up.
Oh yeah, I know. At least I have off tomorrow, so I don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna go get a haircut tomorrow. While y'all are working.
I was gonna get a haircut today, but I was like, nah. I'll just trim the sides like I usually do. I mean, the commander actually seemed pretty cool whenever we were doing the track layout.
I still haven't gotten a good feel for him yet.
Like, when we were in the middle of it, he's like, I just want to get this bullshit over with, dude. This shit's so fucking stupid. The only thing he got us on is that he went way more in depth than everybody else did. So, like, the punches and shit, punches that we said we had, because they looked like they were in the right spot, we were missing, because he made us read off the fucking sizes of them.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it started off a little bit rough, because I think the only thing that actually really threw me off was the transmission slings.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I couldn't remember exactly what they looked like.
There was 2 ones in that black box.
Oh okay.
The random chest sitting over there? Tape in it. It looks like there's a lot more shit in there than that.
Yeah.
Oh, you dirty cunts. Where are you at? Fucking hiding. I like how you can just sidearm shoot the shotgun too and still hit the son of a bitch.
Oh yeah.
That's usually what I do. I just fucking point to where it looks right and fucking shoot him. Like this.
What?
I was gonna shoot you. You not have HP on Mac?
No.
Oh, well, that's it too.
Yeah.
Where you at, motherfuckers?
Here, pretty.
Oh, she right here. Oh, I just blew her ass back 30 fucking feet, boy. You want some too, asshole? Damn! I love the shotgun.
I popped one and blasted him.
You want some too, you fucking cracker fuck? Blew his arm off, bro. There's a whole bunch of these motherfuckers. Yep. Call me Jason Bourne in this bitch, motherfuckers. Yeah.
This bitch was running. I don't know where he was running to. Fuck. I lost him.
Did you see that twofer I just got?
Oh yeah.
What you get for standing right in front of each other, cocksuckers?
Oh, there he is. Dang. Was he not over here? Fuck. Maybe
I
not.
love the buckshot, dude. I wish they gave us more buckshot. That'd be bad to the fucking bone. Buckshot does so much fucking damage. Wait, it makes them fucking fly away. Fly away, fly away. I should.
I hear some behind me.
I guess let's just keep running. We'll run into the cocksucker sooner or later.
Yeah.
I like how they all just came up, thought they were
Oh, come on.
badass, and we blew them fuckers sky high. Where?
He did. He did.
Yeah, that was funny. You shot that one, and it moved him a little bit. And then I fucking blasted him. He fucking flew to the right. Oh, here's a big ass son of a bitch. Hey, bitch. What's up, bitch? See, bro? One taps this son of a bitch. Another one. I don't know where. Oh, right there. Buckshot, baby. How you like that, motherfuckers? We just fucked y'all's whole camp. Isn't this where we were earlier?
Probably. We've been all over this fucking map.
I thought we were by where the graves were.
I hear steps left.
That might be a deer though.
Maybe. I didn't see anybody or anything
Or a
moving.
fucking rabbit.
Yeah. Hard to fucking see out here.
I don't even know how many bullets I got left in the chamber.
You'll find out when it just goes click.
I might have like 2. I had 1 left when I filled up, and I only had. I might have had 4. So I might have like 2 or 3.
Oh yeah.
There's Kelvin over there. Should fucking blow his ass away.
Sounds left.
Yep.
Oh, that's a new one.
The whole camp.
Yeah.
Hey, brainless moron. Nope, I'm out of ammo. And there's a zipper dick over here. What the fuck? This is a new camp.
I can't fucking see.
Die already, you cocksucker. Oh, I hear another fucking zipper dick over here.
Do you?
Yeah.
I don't see him.
He's over there in the woods somewhere. Oh, what the fuck?
Nope, I just shot him on accident. Oh, 2.
Fuck, I gotta
Fuck, I just
reload.
swapped my shotgun.
Reload, reload, reload. Come here, zipper dick.
I'm running after you.
Did you shoot me?
No,
Killed
I
one.
shot after the zipper and I'm down.
Oh, fuck.
It wouldn't-
No! Get him, run.
What? This is not what I had out. You dick.
Any other candy retards want some? Oh, so the mutants are attacking the actual cannibals. How many bullets I got left?
There's another one.
Oh, damn. The last of my shotgun bullets are in my gun. They're in the chamber. How much ammo you got left?
I have no idea.
All the candies here are
What is
dead.
that?
Oh, that's what that dude was hanging on before I fucking shot him off of it.
Oh. Let me see. I have 10. No, that's not right. That was stun gun.
You I'm running right there.
6 slug.
You dirty little Jew. Lost him.
Oh, he
What?
just rolled right between us. To your right.
Right here. Here, bitch. Got his dumbass. Oh, I shot his leg off. What you
Fuck,
get
I'm
for
down.
running?
I'm down.
Get down.
I was trying to swap ammo, so I didn't realize I was empty. I'm down again.
Cocksucker. Ah!
Reloading.
Oh shit! I'm out of ammo. I'll pull out taser.
Taser,
Wait, I
taser,
should have
taser.
ammo in my revolver.
I hear him, I just don't see him.
I just shot him.
Oh, there
There's
he
another
is.
one right there. Here, bitch.
Where? I see Kelvin.
Fuck, I'm out of ammo.
Damn, I keep losing them. Bitch.
Here, bitch. I can tase you. This will make you stay still. Gone now.
Behind you.
Fuck, I hit the tree. He's right there behind us. Get him, get him, get him! Yeah, teamwork, baby. Why are you teabagging me?
Why not?
This is what it feels like to go around and just unload every bullet you got.
I guess so.
I'll just tase them and you shoot them.
Alright, I got 4 or 5 more. Hey, I hear a biggie. Oh, one right behind me.
Oh,
Never
damn.
mind.
Shot
Not
his
anymore.
fucking face off.
Hell yeah.
You went to go jump at you, turn around, BAM! Pussy bitch. That's how we do it around these woods. The rest of you.
Sounds left.
Yep, that's where I'm going.
Further left.
What happens if I tase a deer?
I don't know.
Oh, same thing. I think it killed it. It was dead.
Yep, sure did. Had to make sure.
Only got, what?
I hear a retard behind me.
I have 3 stun ammo left.
Hear it.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, gone.
I missed a little cocksucker.
There's another one. To your left. I think that's what that was.
Yep, right here.
Oh, yeah.
Did I get him? I don't think I did.
Oh, no, I missed. I shot too high.
Come here, bitch. Come here, bitch. There's 1 taser inside of you. It'll be good. They don't hurt.
It tickles, I promise.
You'll jiggle a little bit.
My dude needs sleep.
My dude's starving and hungry. Or thirsty.
Oh, yeah, and I'm fucking dehydrated.
Yeah. It don't matter. Once you use the rest of your ammo, we off, baby. Can I tase a squirrel? Sure, I probably could if I could get it. Here you go. Oh. There's no point in that shit. We about to get off.
What? I needed some water. Cause my fucking shit was like fucked.
I guess if I can't sleep, I'll tell you. I'll text you, and then we can get back on or whatever.
Alright, if I'm not asleep. I might take an early night. I don't know. Haven't decided yet.
I don't like my weekends if I can't stay up late as fuck.
Oh yeah.
Weekdays is for business, and weekends is for fucking
Everything
non-business.
else.
Yeah. Well, I guess weekends is pretty much for personal business, but
Yeah.
still, I still like to stay up late at night and then wake up, do business, and get on the game, stay up again.
Oh, I know where we're at now.
It's already 5 o'clock in the morning. Why is the fucking sun not coming up?
We got another probably hour and a half to 2 hours.
Oh, I forget we're not in Alaska.
Yep.
Damn, dude, I literally got like a sliver of stamina. My body's so fucked up from being hungry and thirsty.
Damn. That's why I grabbed some water real quick.
I don't care. Like I said, once you expend your ammo, then I'm gonna get off and go watch The Last of Us and Mayor of Kingstown. Dear.
Yeah, I hear that too. Oh no, it's a moose.
Taser, taser!
I just realized something.
But
I'm out of ammo.
I tased the moose. Oh, what? I got more taser left? Oh, he died. Send him
From a
in.
taser?
Yeah, send him into anaphylactic shock. Either that or he's just knocked out cold.
Wow!
Okay, he was knocked out. The fuck, bud?
I'm dead now.
You calm your tits down, bud.
I'm out of ammo, by the way.
Here. You're out of shotgun ammo completely?
Yeah, I think so. Let me see. All I have is stun gun and arrows and shit.
Yep, I'm out of stun ammo. You have 2 lighters in here?
Nope.
Oh, I forgot about the grenades.
Yep.
Hey, yeah, let's play fucking Russian roulette with it. Whoever stands here. Here.
Oh, I can't throw it straight up. Oh, bitch.
Wait, can we knock down a tree with it?
I don't know.
Try it. Oh, it's rolling downhill.
Wait.
It rolled downhill. What you want me to do? Did I answer the question?
Yeah.
Knock down 3 trees.
3? Damn.
Alright, whoever leaves first is a pussy. God damn it, we're both down.
Are we?
Yeah.
Oh well. Out I go. Hold A. I couldn't press start. There we go. Alright.